See the birds in the onion patch, and they come around this time every evening, and they kind of roll around in the dust. My friend told me that it's to get rid of the mites or the fleas, or not mites or something, from their feathers, to clean their feathers in some way. I just started filming because there's so many birds here, and these two lovely blackbirds came hopping along as well, and then a big thrush. But there's all these little ones there in the patch, can you see them? Sometimes there's up to like 9 or 10 of them in there. They always come in the evening after they've had a hard day at the office. And I can't see where the yeah, you can see them all there. Oh, there's lots in there, about 6 at the moment. Anyway, just thought I'd do that little video. Bye.